Welcome back. Today we will see about the AWS Global Infrastructure. It is the most extensive, reliable and secure cloud platform. It is offering over 200 fully featured services from data centers all over the world. AWS Cloud Infrastructure consists of AWS regions, availability zones, AWS data centers and edge locations. AWS regions. It has already launched 25 regions, each with multiple availability zones. Regions names as AP South 1 for Asia Pacific Mumbai region and AP Southeast 1 for Asia Pacific Singapore. Regions is nothing but it is a cluster of data centers. AWS availability zones. An AWS region is a physical location in the world where it has multiple availability zones. It has usually 3, minimum 2 and maximum 6 such as AP South 1A, AP South 1B and AP South 1C in Asia Pacific Mumbai regions, which consist of discrete data centers each with redundant power, networking and connectivity facilities with high bandwidth, low latency networking, dedicated fiber network, can say low latency network between edges, that is availability zones. They are isolated from disasters because they are separate from each other. It has total 81 availability zones till now. AWS data centers. AWS cloud infrastructure allows to build and innovate faster and more securely. AWS implement controls, build automated systems and it passes through third-party audits to confirm the security and compliance. AWS edge locations. It is well connected with hundreds of terabits of telecom carriers networks for optimal performance. Edge locations are connected to the AWS regions through the AWS network backbone with fully redundant and multiple 100 GB parallel fiber networks. It delivers content to the end users with lower latency. It uses more than 230 points of presence, that is 218 plus edge locations and 12 regional edge caches in 90 cities across 47 countries. We can see here now in AWS Management Console. Just search for EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. I will talk about this on my next video. As I am near to Mumbai regions, so I have selected Asia Pacific Mumbai regions here. Always keep in mind that whenever you need to launch new applications, then you should choose the nearby regions as it reduces latency and as per compliance with data governance and legal requirements, the data never leaves the region without customer explicit permission. You must have to learn about the new services as well. That new features are not available in every regions, hence you have to choose the regions as per your requirements and of course the pricing varies region to region. Now I would like to show you the AWS regions and availability zones. As shown here in this map, you can see that North America regions has some regions with orange circle and blue colors indicate that edge locations. We can see for South America, Europe, Middle East, Africa and Asia Pacific as well. Now we will go just one page back to the global infrastructures. As you can see here, AWS has total 25 regions till now and 81 availability zones, 8 local zones with 17 wavelength zones. It is used for ultra low latency applications and many more regions to be announced or coming soon. Just scroll down to go for AWS Global Infrastructure Map. Here you can get in details as it shows that AWS Cloud spans total 81 availability zones within 25 geographic regions around the world. 21 plus more availability zones and 7 more AWS regions to come soon in Australia, India, Indonesia, Israel, Spain, Switzerland and UAE. There is one more planning for New Zealand. You can see here regions in blue color and coming soon in orange color, right? Now we will see here in map like in Cape Town, it is launched in 2020 with 3 availability zones. Sao Paulo launched in 2011 with 3 availability zones. Mumbai launched in 2016 with 3 availability zones and here with orange color indicates that will be coming soon in Hyderabad. If you click on map, then it will show you more details about the regions, availability zones, edge locations, and regional edge caches. As in Europe, Middle East, and Africa regions has 24 availability zones within 8 geographic regions, with 39 edge network locations and 2 regional edge caches locations. You can see here below the regions with availability zones like Frankfurt with 3 availability zones, Ireland with 3 availability zones, and London with 3 availability zones. Same here in Asia, Pacific, and China regions. Here you can see it has 29 availability zones within 9 geographic regions with 34 edge network locations and 5 regional edge cache locations. Just below to these, we'll see regions with number of availability zones like Hong Kong, that is SAR with 3 availability zones, Mumbai with 3 availability zones, and Singapore with 3 availability zones. You can get total 16 edge locations in India, Bangalore 3, in Chennai 2, Hyderabad 4, and in Mumbai 2 and New Delhi 5. For North America, the AWS Cloud has 25 availability zones within 7 geographic regions, with 44 edge network locations and 2 regional edge cache locations. Regions with availability zones: North Virginia has 6 availability zones, Ohio has 3 availability zones, North California has 3 availability zones. You can see here the number of edge locations and regional edge caches too. The AWS customers get the benefits from AWS cloud infrastructure on security. Security at AWS starts with the core infrastructure. It's designed to meet the most security requirements in the world to all the customers. AWS customers monitoring 24 by 7 to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of customers' data. AWS secure the customer's data when the data flowing across the global network. AWS regions is automatically encrypted at the physical layer before leaving the AWS secure facility. Availability: AWS delivers the highest network availability of any cloud provider, as each region is isolated from disaster because they are separate from each other and comprised of multiple availability zones. Performance: the AWS global infrastructure is built only for performance, as AWS regions offer low latency, low packet loss, and high network quality with fully redundant 100 GBE fiber network backbone. Global footprint: as everyone knows that AWS has the largest global infrastructure and day by day it is constantly increasing. Scalability refers to the idea of a system in which every application or piece of infrastructure can be expanded to handle increased load. AWS auto-scaling monitors the applications and automatically adjusts the capacity to maintain steady performance at the lowest cost. It is easy to set up application scaling for multiple resources across multiple services in minutes. AWS Global Infrastructure gives the flexibility of choosing how and where we want to run our workloads and from which availability zones and regions would like to run the applications. Alright, here we have seen and learned about the AWS Global Infrastructure. See you all guys on my next video. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.